Hello everyone, welcome to Daffy the Duckling Pool. Today we walk you through all the steps to stake your ADA for rewards using Daedalus wallet. All links will be put in the description below to avoid mistaking for scam websites. Here's the official website of Daedalus wallet. To download, you'd like to click download and you will see options for which platform you're using. Daedalus wallet is available only on desktop, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Remember to check if your device meets the recommended hardware requirements for stability, and this tutorial is done on Windows. Select download option based on your platform. Once you click the button, wait for a moment until it finishes downloading, then open it up. The first thing you have to do is create a wallet. When you select create, it will ask you for wallet name and a spending password. I'm gonna create a wallet name staking, then enter the spending password. This password is required every time you want to make a transaction, like delegate to a pool or send ADA to another address. So make sure to remember this password and keep it safe. After that, you will be given a list of 24 words called recovery phrase. This list will be used to recover your wallet on another devices, so make sure to write them down or store them in some trusted places and don't let anyone know. Also, this is the only way to recover a Daedalus wallet. When finished creating a wallet, you will then have to patiently wait for the wallet to sync with the blockchain. It might take a while. In case you already have Daedalus wallet on another device, use its recovery phrase to restore it on the current device. After the wallet is completely synced with the blockchain, you will see your wallet information and make transactions. To stake ADA, you have to transfer some ADA to this wallet first. For example, from an exchange wallet or another wallet, Daedalus, Yoroi, Nami. Go to the Receive tab to get the addresses. Share any of these wallet addresses to receive payments. New addresses will be automatically generated after receiving payments to improve security. We recommend testing with a small amount of ADA transactions, like 2 ADA for example, to get familiar with the process. Then you can continue with the full amount. Once you have the amount of ADA you want, click the network icon on the left. Here, you can find information about your wallet in the Delegation Center, a list of stake pools, and your rewards tracking. To stake your ADA, you need to select a stake pool and delegate your ADA to them. To do that, click on Stake Pools, find a pool with its name or ticker. Our team has a pool called Daffy the Duckling Pool, and you can find it with the ticker Daffy, D-A-F-F-Y. Click on the pool. There are pool's parameters, which we will discuss in another video, and select Delegate to this pool. You will need to go through 3 steps. First, select the wallet you want to use. Confirm the pool you want to delegate to, and confirm again with your spending password. And it should notify you that the wallet is now delegated to the pool you selected. To check your reward, select Rewards. Here, you can see epoch times and find out your rewards after an epoch ends. That's it. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe. We're trying to share our knowledge with the community, so if you have any topic you want us to make videos about, or any feedback for our videos, feel free to comment or contact us.